to Culinary Museum with Chef Mohamed Abdell. Today we are diving into homemade rigatoni pasta stuffed with crab, scallop and prawn, and finish it with olive anchovy. Let's get to it. So now we start the pasta sauce. First thing is the olive oil, then black garlic, sage. So now we start to stuff the pasta. So it's a scallops, prawn and crab. Let's make it even with the pasta. Then pasta in, slowly. Sage in, cover it. Put the sauce in, the heirloom tomato, now we put the rigatoni in, and then we put the olives with anchovy on top. So now we explain the plate. So we have the heirloom tomato sauce, and then we have the rigatoni stuffed inside with prawn and scallops and crab, and finish it with the olives and anchovy on top. Thank you for joining me in a culinary museum. Please tell me what do you think of today's recipe. Share your thought on the comment section below.